na ito mga kababayan, itong 18 Marines. Yan. Wargado ang kanilang pool, baka magkawala. Tsaka, yan. Guarded heavily guarded Akala mo, sobrang daming tao, wala namang katao-tao. 18 Marines, mali-maleta.
Mali-maleta sa house.
Mali-maleta.
Yung expandable envelopes lang.
Hindi na. Hindi na malita kasi halatado
Alin?
Yung may helicopter.
Hindi yun sa HO. Hindi sila nagdadala ng mali-maleta sa house.
Expandable
Yung
lang.
expandable envelopes lang.
Kasi halata kapag
Kaya
maleta.
po yung nasa picture.
Alin?
Diba?
Yung may helicopter.
Hindi yun sa HO. Hindi sila nagdadala ng mali-maleta sa house. Yung expandable envelopes lang.
Kaya po yung nasa picture.
Alin?
Yung may
Alin?
helicopter.
Hindi yun sa HO.
I don't understand.
Formation, they have a second hand or third hand.
No, your
Because
information is second hand. Kasi we were asking you about...
Second hand ka lang pala
Yes,
No?
but they only told you. Wala ka naman talaga doon, right? That's the definition of second hand, sir. You
But
weren't there.
I did not execute the affidavit. They were the ones who execute the affidavit.
Second hand nga.
Yes, they executed. Then they told you about all of these things. So your information is second hand, not their information. So that's what I was asking you. What is your involvement here?
I think
Abogado.
you misunderstood the rules on evidence, ma'am. But
Director
nevertheless,
ya.
I
What
think
do I
Director
not
ang kanyang
understand about the
involvement.
rules of evidence?
yes,
What do I not understand about the rules of evidence?
for describing their statement or my statement as second hand.
It's not second hand. You weren't there, right? As you said, you yourself said you weren't there when all of these things were going on. When they were
Sunog.
withdrawing the
Diba?
money,
Do you
giving
know
the money to
about-
somebody
do
else.
you
They
know
were
the
all
meaning
told to you.
Do you know the
Basta
meaning
abogado
of
to.
independently
Abogado ka, diba?
relevant statement?
Okay, so that's what I'm also trying to get
Ikaw
at.
nga,
What is your
abogado ng
involvement
18
here?
Marines
Bakit kayo nasama dito?
Director siya.
You're not a prosecutor. You're not... are you a lawyer for some of these Marines?
Alam nyo, ma'am, bilang isang Pilipino, meron akong obligasyon na mahanap natin ang katotohanan at katarungan dito sa pagnanakaw ng
Sir,
pera
sir.
sa kabad ng bayan.
Oo, you don't have to tell
Okay,
me that.
you asked
We
about
also
my
try to get to the
motivation.
bottom of things. Oo, kami din.
You asked about my motivation, no?
Hmm.
Alam niyo po, noong 2013, ang advocacy ko ay anti-corruption at ako ang sa
Anti-corruption.
PIDA Fiscal.
Bakit ang
And Ben
corruption ni
Harloy
Duterte?
was one of my witnesses. Kinasuhan ko ang 14 na senador, 198 na congressmen at limang cabinet secretaries.
Okay, yeah.
Pangalawa, yung mga pag-aabuso ni Tevez sa Negros. Halos isang taon po akong pabalik-balik sa Negros kasi walang matakbuhan ang mga biktima ng patayan doon. Ngayon po, nakita ko kung paano trinato si Gutesa. At meron akong obligasyon na tumulong para malaman natin ang katotohanan. You ask about my motive, that's my motive.
I don't
Gusto
understand.
kong makaambag sa paghahanap ng katarungan.
I don't understand.
Talagang second hand ka. Second hand ng imong impormasyon attorney. Di ba? Oo nga, attorney ka ni Bino Horloy pero iniwanan ka rin ni Bino Horloy kasi delikado ka pala. Attorney Barigod. So, ikaw, laban bawi ka kapag nasusukot kayo. Ganon talaga ang mga Duterte supporters, laban bawi kapag nasusukot na sila mga kababayan. Kaya itong mga 18 Marines na to ay delikado ito mga kababayan, makapasbuhan na sila. Sabi nga niya Ping Lacson ay ang 10 rito ay may mga kaso kaya pala na-discharge ito sa kanilang serbisyo, hindi mapapagkatiwalaan mga kababayan. Kaya ito mga 18 months na to, mga sinungaling ito mga kababayan, kaya huwag kayong magnaniwala dito. sa kanilang mga pinangsasabi. Dito na lang tayo mga kababayan. Bye bye.